Mr. Cheng. Oh, way they go. Final judgment, Summit Dancer. My Purpy alongside him between runners Kai Maki, rushing up Janelle's episode Rockefeller, and Dr. Choice is the early trailer by about 6 to 7 lengths of the leader. Back to the leader, Final Judgment by about 4 lengths, followed by Summit Dancer Danori inside him between runners Kai Maki, My Purpy alongside his Janelle's episode, and rounding the Final Judgment by about 4 lengths, Summit Dancer Janelle's episode Kai Maki, My Purpy, Rockefeller, and Dr. Choice as it's the final turn. It's the Final Judgment by about 5 lengths, followed by Summit Dancer Janelle's episode on the further outside, and by the Rally Sky Maki, My Purpy, entering the finish line. Final Judgment by about 7 lengths, Jesse Basilio Guse on Final Judgment. Summit Dancer second, Rockefeller number 6 Kai Maki, Janelle's episode, Dr. Choice, and My Purpy.